Retail Deals, Adventure and Travel's latest challenge is to do every railway service in the UK over many, many years. Please enjoy watching. Next is the Glasgow Central to Barrhead service. It's only a short journey, this one. It's on the Dumfries line. And then I'll be catching the Barrhead to Glasgow Central. That starts at Carlisle. If you want to see a section between Glasgow Central and Pollockshaws West, you can look at the East Kilbride service from Glasgow. That shows that in full. But this part of the journey would only be from Pollockshaws West to Barrhead. So that's the line to East Kilbride over there. This is a four coach 380.
We are now approaching Head. Please mind the gap when alighting from this train. We are now approaching Priesthill and Darnley. Please mind the gap when alighting from this train. Please mind the gap when alighting from this train.
Barrhead station was opened in 1848. It now has 3 platforms. There is a single line track along to Kilmarnock. Most trains to Barrhead continue to Kilmarnock, Dumfries and Carlisle. There is 1 train that goes from Kilmarnock to Ayr and 1 in the evening to Garvan. In 1978, a new station building was opened. The signal box is still in operation. There is 1 train every 2 hours to Carlisle, 2 to 3 trains per hour from Kilmarnock to Glasgow.